I did something that I never would have thought I would ever do, and it's still surreal. Still feels surreal that I did this after so many speculations and just negative comments and all of that, and I still just feel surreal that I actually did it. I actually did it. So yes, I went and I got myself a wig, a lace front wig. I got myself a lace front wig. Never would have thought in my wildest dream that I'll ever get a lace front wig, because I mean, my hair, I just didn't see the need for a lace front wig. And me, I'm just a simple person. I just don't like. So yeah, my first wig is from Celie wig. Cute package. It's silk. Maybe I could use it as a bonnet as well. Yeah. And this is what it came. This is how it came. So it's a 16-inch 5x5 lace. I don't know if you can see, but it's the 16-inch and it's 5x5 lace. So if you don't know, 5x5 lace is just like something from hair to hair. 5x5, and you can also say it's a glueless. You can wear it glueless. I rather glueless, because who wouldn't? I rather glueless. I don't have to put the glue on my skin, on my forehead, and irritate my edges. I just can't right now. I just can't lose my edges. They're my best friends, so best friends are hard to find. Okay, so this is the wig, and I'm telling you, it feels so good. I already like combed it out before, and no shedding. We don't have any shedding. I am so surprised, because seeing so many lace wig companies and people who make them and who sell them, I just I was on the hunt for a lace front wig for like forever, and finally finding this company. I think they're in China. I saw them on Instagram. You could check them out on Instagram. Celie, Celie wigs on Instagram. I saw the ad, and I was skeptical, but then I saw this particular one that this girl, she was trying on. I don't know if you can see this one. It's like the texture is, I don't know if you can feel it. No, you can't feel it. But so this is the 5x5, and it comes I don't even think I have to do any sort of bleaching or anything like that, because the mesh is like, it's close to my complexion. It's like, if not the same, my complexion. It's yeah. So 16x16, I think it's a bit short. I mean, 16-inch. Okay, so, and it comes with a lot of accessories, hair accessories and stuff. Comes with a comb and a wig cap. Well, there, it's like their official, like their flyer or something. So this is the name, and you can find them on Instagram, Facebook, 100% Human Hair. They're on YouTube as well, AliExpress. But like I said, I saw the ad on Instagram. So what else do I have? Came with some clamps, hair clamps, and it's a band that you put around your hair to kind of like make the wig stays. So okay, let's come on, try it on. Let's try it on with me. For the first time, I'll be trying the wig on. So I'm just gonna take my hair like this and I'm gonna braid it in. I'm just gonna braid it in like that. Like so. I'm gonna put this. Should I put my cap on first? I'm gonna put the cap on first. This is the wig cap. Never in my wildest thought that I will be doing this, but I was always skeptical about those glue on my scalp, so I was looking for a really decent glueless wig. So I'm gonna just put this on. Okay, let's do this again. So just pull this back basically like this. I'm gonna put my band on and I'm gonna, it have like, so this is the band. I don't know if you can like see it, like, and it stretches. So I'm just put it on like that, put it on like that, put it over my neck. And I'm gonna put it on like this. It's not tight, it's comfortable. Now for the wig. The wig has band and it comes with clip inside as well. The clips are here each side and at the back. So let's try it on. Let's get the band over. Put this on. Did I mention it's a glueless? Did I mention that? So it's glueless, and so what do you think? I'm gonna cut the lace off. I think I want the part. I'm gonna do a part like something like this. I can do it at the front. Okay, let me get a comb very quick. And just comb it. It's so soft. I like the curl pattern. I really love the curl pattern. So it's like this. So let's cut the lace off. Okay, so this is the finished look of the hair. It's okay. I like it. So yeah, and you can always put hair mousse in it to make it more tamer, to make it look like wavy, like wet and wavy look, but I like big hair. I don't like my hair laying down. So yeah, I'm just doing a quick video. So yeah, bear with me. This is the wig. I just wanted to do it, get it done with my makeup. So yeah, this is it. It looks nice. I like it. I like the curls, the softness and everything. I haven't plucked it as yet. And the part, I give it a little part right there. Yeah, so I trimmed the lace, and I think it's okay. It's doable. So yeah, feels really nice. I like it. So peace out. Catch you in my next video.